Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by assessing the iron Kadai so you know if this needs simple scrubbing or deeper treatment. Put on gloves and sprinkle coarse salt over the rusty area, then pour white vinegar to wet the salt. The acid loosens iron oxide, while the abrasive salt helps mechanical removal. Scrub with steel wool in circular strokes, applying steady pressure. Once the loose rust flakes lift, rinse briefly and repeat only on remaining spots, because overscrubbing can damage the surface. Once surface rust is reduced, treat stubborn patches by soaking the Kadai in a 1:1 vinegar and water mix for 30 to 60 minutes. This penetrates pits and softens entrenched oxide. After soaking, use a wire brush or a Dremel with a soft polishing wheel to carefully remove remaining rust. Avoid aggressive grinding. Immediately neutralize the acid by rinsing and wiping with a baking soda solution. This prevents flash corrosion. Make sure to dry thoroughly with a towel and brief low heat. You finish by drying the Kadai completely and heating it on the stove to evaporate any trapped moisture. Then apply a thin, even coat of high smoke point oil and heat for 10 to 15 minutes until the oil polymerizes into a protective layer. This restores non-stick and prevents new rust. If the coating is sticky or uneven, repeat light cleaning and another thin seasoning layer. Troubleshooting tip: if rust returns quickly, check for trapped water, acidic food exposure, or mist pitted areas and retreat them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.